truckers only video.
Oh shit. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I wasn't gonna restart that either. I don't care if the video was playing. But anyways, we in here with best of semi truck action. God damn. I think this is a dash cam channel. Not mistaken. Roll rage here and run brake checks compilation. So yeah, check them out. Yeah, dash cam lessons. Alright. Y'all ready? Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh shit. I'm acting like I'm in the truck. God damn it. Y'all wasn't supposed to see me scream like that. I scream like a dude though. I didn't scream like a little girl. God damn.
Oh my goodness.
Damn, did you cut the truck off? Cause it sounds like it's still on. What the? Yeah, I would have slowed down really. Damn. Oh, that's the one. That was the same one. It just shows a further back view. Oh shit. Damn. Damn, dude, you're not using your mirrors? On their phone. That's why I said my trucks don't be on their phone when they driving. They got an earpiece in. Cause that dude would've got smashed up if he didn't slam on brakes. Fuck this fender up though. Shit. That's how you know you can't drive. Cause if you was look at this. If you was already in motion, ain't no need to push brakes now. You might as well go ahead and hit the gas so you can get faster than him. But you slow down too when you panic. I figured that. They said the driver was killed in the pickup. That was a whole semi truck. Came right at your driver's door. At that point, that's when you speed up. Not following the signs.
Anger, if you pull that away, you see hurt, fear, and frustration behind that. And I think both emotions. What I would ask you to do is make a copy of this show, record it, and watch it 10 times. Not 6, not 7.
Now look at this car right here. Dumb ass, like what the fuck y'all be doing? Like, do y'all even look in y'all mirrors? Shit, that was People that can't drive can't be on the road. Shit like this, man, cause a big accident. A pile up. That pickup about to hit that truck. Oh my goodness. God damn. That was bad.
Yes, Eddie. He smiled self-consciously. Eddie could feel his heart beating hard in his chest. What does the number 19 mean to you? King considered.
Couldn't have. Damn, somebody else hit the semi-truck in the back. Semi-truck hit the other one in front of him. Damn. What an idiot. Damn.
Current loop video is now locked.
Because he keeps going.
And how you gonna run? And how you gonna outrun somebody in a semi truck? Like you going in slow motion and you still just riding.
Here I'm honking to let them know I'm already pissed. Don't fall backwards on me.
Is he falling asleep or something?
Meanwhile, my damn truck is smoking with the freaking coolant all over the place.
You've been backing up the whole fucking hill! The whole fucking hill! No, that's ridiculous. I've been honking the horn at you for 5 fucking minutes. Go to your truck.
Here's what it's like to go to school for firearms technology and gunsmithing. Sonoran Desert Institute's online programs cover troubleshooting.
Fuck that shit. Whoa. I wasn't even expecting to see that. Damn. Damn. Rip this whole wheel off. He the one that drove in front of him. Damn. Damn, the whole semi-truck hit him. There's a semi-truck fault that time.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ, man.
they got a light right there by this. What the hell? Why are you braking in front of them? See, I hate to be a truck driver and I gotta deal with this dumb shit right here. The idiots like this.
Warmed up and ready to go from idle to red line in the blink of an eye. He took comfort in this ability. In some ways, now it was a part of his identity.
I'll be pissed as shit. I gotta deal with this. A dumb idiot when I hit the wall and bounce off the wall and hit my goddamn truck.
If an active shooter situation erupted right here, right now, 99% of the civilians...
I'll be heated. Why is there a pickup truck right there where the truck's at? Damn, what the hell? What's going on? I don't know. Sometimes it seems like they be sleeping or something. Like. I don't think he can see him.
Tabarnak!
I did not know there had actually been a collision as the vehicle was too close for them. I knew it. He couldn't see him. Dude, stop your car.
It's a trick.
Dude can't even stop his own goddamn car. Can't see him.
What's wrong? What's wrong? You pushed my car, huh? Where were you? I saw you.
He said, you pushed my car, huh? He couldn't see him. I figured he couldn't see him.
Come out of nowhere. Oh, okay. I hit you? Yeah, several times. What do you mean several times?
He said, what do you mean several times? Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Why is he hitting brakes? What are you doing? You don't get in the other lane? God damn. All because of this dumb idiot. Don't know how to fucking drive.
At Landsea Homes, we're obsessed with healthy living and sustainability, so making the switch from paper business cards to digital
Damn. 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 Shit.
Oh! Oh! God damn! Oh!
Whether you're shopping for your mom, wife, sister, you'll find a gift idea that shows her that Music Guide is brought to you in part by Legacy Box. Use Legacy Box and save 60% on the perfect gift for mom this holiday. Visit SiriusXM.com/giftideas to learn.
Damn. Why are you driving over there on that side? That's not for you to drive on. Cop gonna pull your ass over. They be having cops up there too on that road work. I'm about to end it right there. Shit. I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Hey, give me some more videos to react to. Y'all want to finish watching it, go to his channel. Dash cam lessons. But hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all later.